Music in presents Michael Angelo Batio live concert. I would like to call Michael Angelo on stage. And also Calvin from Dean Guitars. Memento kain lanzo hianin concert kala in chunzom zel don ti kain lo shadon niya. Yes. Give it up for Michael Angelo Batio. And the promoter from Dean Guitars, Calvin. We would like to make this trip to Aizawl a memorable one, and we would like to facilitate this concert with a gift with Mizo traditional attire. Music in Tama, kan chief organizer, local sila anihian, ahlantir donani. This is a traditional hat. And this is a traditional men's garment worn by the chieftain ages ago.
I like it. It fits.
It fits. And this is a traditional bag. And a traditional hat.
I'm wearing it, but the hat might fall off when I move around.
It suits you, it fits you so well. Thank you. Thank you, Tama. And can we have Calvin on stage? Promoter from Dean Guitars. We would like to facilitate you with these traditional garments. David Sonata Tongtu, co-organizer. I'm not sure if Michael owns a Dean Guitar or Dean Guitars own him. It's either way. Thank you, Calvin. Make some noise one more time for Michael Batio.
We have a couple more songs. Whether I had the double guitar or not, we were doing this tonight. It's a really great band. Let's get a round of applause. You have heard them already. When I start going crazy, the hat's gonna fall off. I don't care. Or I could be like Steve Vai. My fans that are not from India would like to see this. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna do a selfie. Let's get up and get crazy. Let's do it! Now I'm not gonna count, just get crazy. Let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Awesome, I have it. Thank you very much. The shirt is warm. Okay, this is we did this in sound check. This is a great band. It is my song called No Boundaries. Here we go. Thank you very much.